Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Chris was driving his Cybertruck and had just picked up his 6-year-old son Finn at school when he got stuck in stop-and-go traffic. While most drivers were participating in the stop-and-go traffic flow, one of them forgot about the stop part. The driver of the Toyota Tacoma behind Chris wasn't paying attention and smacked right into the back of his Cybertruck. Thankfully, the impact wasn't severe enough to hurt anyone, but the same can't be said of the other pickup. The Tacoma's front doors were wedged closed, and when Chris went back to check on the other driver, he discovered that he was trapped inside. Thankfully, Chris was able to help him pry his door open and escape. The other driver's first comment to Chris was that he had been admiring Chris's Cybertruck prior to the collision, and didn't actually know what it was. Chris just told him he was about to be internet famous. Both of them agreed that the Tacoma had sustained far more damage than the Cybertruck. The driver of the Tacoma was very apologetic. He was fully insured and his insurance provider paid for the damage to Chris's Cybertruck. Chris ended up ordering new parts for $1,200 and fixed his Cybertruck himself in 5 hours, while the Tacoma had to be towed to a shop for repairs. Chris wanted to shout out his son Finn, who loves everything Tesla, including Wham Baam Teslacam, we assume. Oskaloosa was getting on the Woodrow Wilson Bridge, which connects Virginia to Maryland, when traffic started backing up, but traffic in the right lane was moving a little bit faster. The driver of a white Kia merged to the right to pass traffic, but the driver of a red Honda directly behind Oskaloosa had the same idea at the same time. It seems like the Kia driver took offense at this. Apparently believing the Honda driver had intentionally blocked her, she decided to engage in some extra spicy road rage. When she maneuvered to the shoulder, the Honda driver noticed that the gauntlet had been thrown, so then he did move to block the Kia driver. The Kia driver rolled down her window and threw what was left of her breakfast at the Honda. They both then drove around the car ahead of them, and the Honda driver managed to take back the lead position. And then the Kia driver rear-ended the Honda. Yikes! At first, both drivers stopped on the shoulder for what must have been a rather awkward conversation. We can hear the Honda driver now, "Hey, thanks for buying me breakfast." The Kia driver then took off while the Honda driver flagged down a police officer. Considering Oskaloosa's Teslacam footage, we're guessing the police report was pretty easy to fill out. Now that's a whole new flavor of instant justice. It was just after 2 a.m. when Aiden was driving home after hanging out with friends at his university in Tampa, Florida. Aiden's dad had just gotten a Cybertruck and he'd given his used Model S to Aiden just 4 days earlier. He stopped at a red light and told us this was one of the only times he's ever let his guard down while driving in Florida. He'd been enjoying his music when his dashboard was suddenly much farther from his face than it had been. Aiden immediately knew what happened, and he told us he started screaming and punching the steering wheel. The car immediately lost power, preventing him from accessing his registration or pulling out his Teslacam drive, both of which were in the glove box. Thankfully, the driver's door automatically released when power was lost. As Aiden got out, he expected to discover an old man apologizing for falling asleep at the wheel. Instead, it was a young driver. Aiden told us he's ashamed at how upset he got, yelling at the other driver and becoming enraged when he claimed his brakes had failed. Eventually, Aiden realized he was scaring the other driver. After all, he's 6'1", 220 pounds, and was practically screaming in the kid's face. Aiden pulled himself together, then told the other driver to sit in the median while they waited for first responders. A police officer arrived within 3 minutes of the collision after Aiden's phone automatically called 911. The officer made sure they were both okay before asking them what had happened. Eventually, another officer arrived, and the first officer reported that the other driver claimed his brakes had failed. Aiden told us the second officer literally rolled his eyes. He then asked the other driver if he'd been wearing his seatbelt, and he claimed that he had been. Aiden told us the officer replied, "Your seatbelt is so tight you could fire an arrow from it, and there's a head-shaped dent in your windshield, so we know that's not true." Thankfully, when Aiden encountered the other driver a few days later at a tow lot, he wasn't seriously injured. The same can't be said for Aiden's Tesla. His insurance provider totaled the car, which didn't surprise Aiden when he saw the damage right after the collision. Aiden told us a previous Wham Baam Teslacam video that mentioned the incredible safety record of the Tesla Model 3 was what convinced his family to get a Tesla for his mother, then another for his father. We're sure they're all extremely happy that Aiden had been in a Tesla that night. This submitter was taking her newlywed brother and sister-in-law home right after their wedding. In her side view mirror, she noticed bright headlights approaching rapidly from behind. Suddenly, a huge gust of wind pushed the approaching pickup truck and it sideswiped the driver's side of her Tesla. Our submitter honked to get the pickup driver's attention, but they sped off without any attempt to stop, making this a clear hit and run. She pulled over before waiting an hour for the California Highway Patrol to respond after they instructed her to pull over at the next exit. Thankfully, her Teslacam footage was clear enough to capture the fleeing pickup's license plate number, and our submitter provided it to the responding CHP officers. Surprisingly, the insurance information attached to the truck was still active, and the CHP provided her with the insurance details. She filed a claim with her own insurance provider, and after months of communications back and forth, the fleeing driver's insurance policy covered the whopping $8,800 repair bill. Our submitter wanted to shout out her daughter Layla, with whom she watches all the weekly Wham Baam Teslacam, Dashcam, and security cam uploads. This video comes from D Mighty Shadow, who witnessed a Honda driver taking off his own mirror. At least, he thought he took off his own mirror. It wasn't until he reviewed his Teslacam footage that he realized he'd actually taken the mirror cover off the parked Toyota. The Honda turned the corner and drove out of sight. You might recognize D Mighty Shadow from when we featured a video of his a few weeks ago, when the rim case product saved his wheel from curb rash. He wanted to thank us for featuring it, and we want to thank MagBak for their epic product and for sponsoring this video. Rimcase is a DIY product that protects your Tesla's wheels from unnecessary damage and can even hide some existing damage. If a piece gets damaged, you can just swap it out, making it a perfect addition to your Tesla. Its modular, interlocking design makes it easy to install or swap out damaged pieces, and the design will blend seamlessly with your Uber turbine or induction wheels. We've seen your comments on the video we shared from Wham Baam's track day when Max actually removed his rim case before heading to the track. He even joked beforehand that the only curbs on the track are the ones I want to hit. The joke was on him though. His rim case would have stopped gravel from getting stuck between his wheels and his tires when he spun out. Lesson learned. In addition to rim case, MagBak also makes these awesome phone mounts that hold your phone in the perfect position and angle while you drive, and can charge your phone at twice the speed. Check out the link in the description to get your own rim case or phone mount, and you'll get 15% off when you use this exclusive coupon code just for Wham Baam fans. As Jeff was exiting Highway 138, he thought he saw something off to the left as he was making his turn. When he turned to look, all he saw was a large dust cloud, so he wasn't sure what had just happened. He decided to circle back and make sure the cloud of dust hadn't been caused by a collision. This required driving for another 4 miles to get back to the same spot. By the time Jeff arrived, he noticed 2 wrecked cars and 2 confused drivers standing next to them. They all watched Jeff's Teslacam footage together to find out what had happened. Firefighters and paramedics arrived just moments later, and thanks to the footage, they had no trouble explaining the strange incident. Jake was driving his partner's Model Y in New South Wales, Australia, when the driver of a white Hyundai i30 pulled out in front of him without looking. Jake slammed on the brakes, and when he did, the driver of a Volkswagen Tiguan ended up hitting his Tesla while trying to change lanes, even though she tried not to. The Hyundai driver fled the scene, and Jake pursued him. When he finally caught up to him, they all pulled over to assess what had happened. Police were called, but they never showed up since nobody was injured. Without a police report, this left the 3 insurance providers to decide who was at fault. It's now been 2 months, and they still haven't come to a conclusion. If it was up to you, who would you say was responsible? Jake, the VW driver, or the Hyundai driver? Post your verdict in the comments below. Frederick and his wife were shopping at Marshall's when an odd bit of parking lot drama unfolded. It seemed like these 2 women knew the car was recording, as one of them kept trying to get inside. What do you think their plan was exactly? Perhaps they wanted to star in a Wham Baam Teslacam video. One of them even gave one of the side cameras an Oscar-worthy close-up performance while continuing to try to get into Frederick's car. Frederick is hoping Tesla owners in the Dallas metro area keep an eye out for these 2, just in case they decide to audition for another episode of Wham Baam Teslacam. H family was traveling back to the UK after a vacation in Hungary. Along the way, they stopped at a Tesla supercharger in Germany for a quick charge while getting coffee. When a BMW driver didn't see the supercharger behind him, he backed into it. Sisters Karina and Leona shouted, "Daddy, Daddy, hit the save button so we can send this to Wham Baam Teslacam." The BMW driver hit the supercharger, H family hit the save button, and now you can hit the subscribe button. But only if you really want to, of course. Keem was a block away from law school when he experienced one of the most common Tesla collisions. A Honda driver stopped in the middle of the road, shifted into reverse, then ran into Keem's Tesla with what seemed like a targeted Honda bump. Actually, the Honda driver had been aiming for a parking spot, and when he missed, Keem laid on the horn, but it didn't help. The Honda driver told Keem he had business to attend to in a nearby building. He gave Keem his ID but not his insurance info, so Keem called the police. After waiting for 30 minutes for the cops, the Honda driver left. Keem stayed at the scene for another 20 minutes before the police called him back. They told him he should go to the nearest police station and make a collision report. While waiting for the police investigation, Keem is also filing a claim with his own insurance provider. He's thankful he has video evidence of the event to prove what happened.
Honda bumped! Honda bumped!
Rayshawn was taking his family to a concert in Seattle when he stopped for a red light. The driver of a work van behind him wasn't paying attention and slammed right into the back of his Model 3. The impact destroyed the rear camera, cutting the video feed, and this might be the first time we've seen this happen in a video we've featured on Wham Baam Teslacam. The remaining cameras continued filming, and one of the side cameras captured a bystander quickly checking on everyone involved. In the front camera, we can see how hard the Tesla was shoved into a Jaguar ahead of it, making this a 3-vehicle collision. When Rayshawn confronted the van driver with what he called choice words, he offered no explanation for what had happened. Police and paramedics responded to the scene. Insurance claims and litigation are now in process. Here comes another video from the H family. This time, they were in a hurry to get to a dentist appointment and they were already running late. Our submitter was maneuvering as quickly as he could on a long, tricky turn when he encountered another driver who he thinks might have also been late for something. Bam! Their side view mirrors made contact before debris went flying. Our submitter stopped, but the other driver continued down the mountain without even slowing down. Considering the fact that our submitter crossed a solid line during that turn, we're guessing he would be deemed responsible for the collision with the other car. Speaking of the other car, does anyone happen to know what it was? Leave your answer in the comments and claim your bragging rights. Our next video is almost the same scenario, but captured from the other perspective. This submitter was driving their Model 3 on a wet, winding road in New York after a rainstorm. Another driver took the curve way too fast for the wet conditions, slid over the double line, and crashed into the side of our submitter's Tesla. The other driver then took off, leaving our submitter with a repair bill of just over $10,000 US. This story didn't have quite the satisfying resolution though. Our submitter's Teslacam didn't capture a clear shot of the offender's license plate, so he had to make a claim with his own insurance provider and pay his deductible out of his own pocket. Mirror, mirror on the road, what's with all the broken mirrors in this episode? Chance was driving with his wife when he followed a red SUV down a highway exit. Suddenly, the SUV jumped a curb and crashed into a utility pole. Chance immediately stopped and called 911 before ensuring traffic behind him was clear. He then provided assistance to the driver, who wasn't seriously injured. Police arrived within a few minutes of the collision, and Chance provided his Teslacam footage to the responding officer. The officer was thankful for Chance's Teslacam footage. He theorized that the SUV driver might have been distracted by his cell phone. If the police officer's theory is correct, there must have been something very interesting on their phone. Either that, or the driver may have fallen asleep or experienced a medical incident. If we examine the footage, it looks like the driver of the SUV proceeded in a straight line without adjusting the steering wheel, starting back at the highway exit. As they left the scene, Chance's wife excitedly exclaimed, "Yay, we finally get to submit a Wham Baam clip." Callista had just gotten a brand new Model 3. She'd been super careful with it, not even parking near other vehicles unless she had to. Just this one time, she tells us, she let her guard down when she parked at the DMV when she went to register it. While inside, she overheard someone say that someone had hit a gray Tesla outside. Her heart sank when she realized that hers was the only gray Tesla parked outside. When she went outside, she discovered a 16-year-old had just failed his driving test in 5 seconds by sideswiping her Tesla's driver's side quarter panel. Seriously, the kid had literally backed up, hit Callista's Tesla, then was immediately told to park his car. The police came and made a report, and Callista has filed a claim with the other driver's insurance provider. Thankfully, no injuries were sustained, aside from the teenager's ego, that is.
Wham Bam, we got a Patreon man. Please support the show.